Quasi-experimental research. The prefix quasi means resembling. Thus, quasi-experimental research is research that resembles experimental research, but is not true experimental research. Recall that with a true between groups experiment, random assignment to conditions is used to ensure the groups are equivalent. And with a true within subjects design, counterbalancing is used to guard against order effects. Quasi-experiments are missing one of those safeguards. Although an independent variable is manipulated, either a control group is missing or participants are not randomly assigned to conditions. Because the independent variable is manipulated before the dependent variable is measured, quasi-experimental research eliminates the directionality problem associated with non-experimental research. But because either counterbalancing techniques are not used or participants are not randomly assigned to conditions, making it likely there are other differences between those conditions, quasi-experimental research does not eliminate the problem of confounding variables. In terms of internal validity, therefore, quasi-experiments are generally somewhere between non-experimental studies and true experiments. Quasi-experiments are most likely to be conducted in field settings in which random assignment is difficult or impossible. They're often conducted to evaluate the effectiveness of a treatment, perhaps a type of psychotherapy or an educational intervention. There are many different kinds of quasi-experiments, but we'll discuss just a few of the most common ones in this chapter.